Once you log into your HerPlus account with your username and password, under the Services drop-down menu, select Gene Ireland Sign Up. This brings you to the ordering screen. Select the program type and select Check Heard. So first of all, enter in your AI details. Select your AI company. Select the technician type, DIY or technician, and then select or enter in your technician or sales rep. And then finally enter in your AI start date. Next, select the breed and the pack size. So I'm going to select 49 Holstein Friesian, which is 7 bulls by 7 straws each. Then tick the box to agree with the terms and conditions and click on OK. And then finally click on Save and OK. The pack of bulls will be delivered to you by your nominated AI company before your AI start date. And herds that order dairy straws are also eligible to order dairy beef straws.